Hi readers, happy Wednesday. I'm sad that you missed our class, but be sure to come tomorrow at either 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. depending on what hour I have you. Come to class. It's gonna be great. Our learning target for today is students will be able to identify likable and less likable character traits. So our plan for today is that we're going to, sorry, I have a mint in my mouth. We're going to continue our deep study of character and analysis and think about what character traits people have. And so just like a reminder, different character traits that you can see on Schoology. Some are like active, adventurous, affectionate, afraid, ambitious, eager, easygoing, fierce, fidgety, loyal, loving, independent, impulsive, impolite, impatient, picky, witty, wise, worried, thoughtful. And so there's lots of different character traits, and we want to think about how we can describe people. And so my example right here is example of Will. And so Will's in the middle, and you can see over here his more likable character traits are that he's observant, he can be very clever, funny, and determined. And some not so good character traits that Will holds is that he can be sarcastic, jealous, ruthless, and disloyal, especially when he's talking about his friends, or not really friends, his acquaintances, and how he feels about them. And so just like how everybody has likable character traits, we also have unlikable character traits. So if I'm thinking for myself, maybe some likable character traits that I have is I'm very patient, I can be kind, and then maybe some less likable traits is sometimes I can be impatient and sarcastic. What are some other, let me think, let me go back over here. Some other ones, maybe untrustworthy. I can be untrustworthy of different adults. I can also be very strict or stubborn. And sometimes that can be like a good thing because that's kind of like almost like determined, stubborn. But it kind of depends on the situation and the circumstance. Just like how for most of us it does. So today what you're going to do is you're going to take a picture of your work and think of the story that you're reading and list their likable and less likable character traits. Let me know if you have any questions and be sure to come to office hours tomorrow. Bye!